What are you going to do?
We're making an M&M experiment because we already made a tornado experiment. Round is not in here.
Okay, ready guys?
Ready. But I hope it doesn't get good.
Again, what are you going to do?
M&M experiment. Oh, say hi. 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 Are you sure that's enough water?
Yeah. So we're going to put the water here, small amount. Do you want to put the water?
No, I'm scared.
Okay, count.
1, 2, 3.
Ready?
Ready. Oh!
Let's wait.
Oh yeah, the yellows. They're starting to do it. I'm not sure if they're starting. The red, look at the red.
Whoa!
Wow. Oh, that's so cool.
That's so awesome.
What does soup like? Is it moving? It hurts my eyes. It hurts my eyes when I look close. It looks so cool. Wow. The blue is making green and yellow.
That's cool. That's so cool.
But there's no center. I'm showing
Let's
Mommy.
wait.
Yeah.
Wait, let's wait. What will
Yeah, let's
happen?
see. Yeah, but at the end, but
Ali, look.
Ali, look. Wow. How about this one? How about this experiment? Oh, that one will need to be. Oh, I see all the color. I see red turning into white. So
That's so
cool.
awesome. That's so cool.
That's awesome. What does it look like? You're looking at it. Oh, what does it look like? It looks so cool. And they made
fast.
another green here.
Oh, blue plus yellow equals
Green.
green.
And it's making purple.
See, blue plus red equals
Green. Wait, don't move this one. Look at that. It's making purple.
that's so cool. Look at the green, blue, and yellow.
Wait, don't move this part because it's gonna wobble, wobble, wobble it up.
How about the red and orange? What color is that?
Red, orange.
This is so cool. Look.
They're making a center here. It's gonna be the I just closed my eyes and then boom, shakalaka flew.
Wow, purple. Ali, look.
Wow. It's so cool. What is touching? It's gonna make
Almost done.
Yeah. In 3, 5, 10, 9, 8. It hurts my eyes if I'm trying.
So what can you say about our experiment?
It actually works.
How about you, little guy?
I see the tornado walking.
No, I mean this experiment.
It's gonna be like touching, and it's gonna make big ones.
Yeah.
It's almost there. Wow, it's so close. And there's a line of purple. A line.
Yeah, a line of purple.
Almost there. I think at
Yay!
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's not the
Yay!
Cool. Can we take off the M&Ms?
Sure.
I'm really hungry. I want to eat them.
Go, it's clean.
Oh. 3, 2, 1. It's complete.
Yay!
It's like a crazy artist made that.
Yeah.
I'm showing Mommy.